Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can enable dark theme in Google Sheets. So please listen carefully. So the first thing that you will need to do is go to your uh, Chrome Web Store, and then you will search exactly for Google Sheets dark mode, and this will help you reduce your eye strain and makes working at night easier. So what you'll have to do is just click add to Chrome and then click add the extension and wait for it to download or to install. And as you can see, it has been installed. So what you will do is go back to your spreadsheet, and now that you're here, you will just have to click your extensions, and then you will look for Google Sheets dark mode. So just go ahead and click that, and then you will just have to enable it. And as you can see, it's we're now in dark mode, and that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.